I started Preorder business in the year 2021. Until date, I've been doing that same business to earn a living. If you're looking for a business you can start with little or no capital at all, then Preorder business is the right business for you because it requires no capital or little capital at all. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to start a pre-order business, the do's and don'ts of pre-order business so you don't end up in debt, and what you need to know before starting a pre-order business. Hi, I'm Jenny, an importation coach, a procurement agent, and a pre-order vendor, and I started my pre-order business in year 2021 while I was still in school. And this is a sign for you to start a business. If you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, a salary earner, you can use pre-order business as a side also. To start a pre-order business, you have to understand the concept. What does pre-order mean? Pre-order simply means to order something in advance before it is available for sale, to purchase an item in advance, to pay for an item in advance before it is available for sale. Now, to start a pre-order business, you don't need much capital because you're actually using the customer's money to buy what they need for them. Why adding your own profit? It's just like a drop shipping business. You don't need to stock up much goods. You don't need huge capital to stock up goods so that you can sell. You actually just need to know what the customers you're selling for, what they need. You buy for them with their own money. Then you add your profit, and voila, you're making money and without stress. Now, before you start a pre-order business, you need to find your niche. What do you want to sell? Let's take for example, while I was still in school, I said school area, what do people actually need? So okay, most students go to school, they carry bags, they wear shoes. So I picked that okay, I want to go into fashion items because I already have a target audience, which are the students, right? And the niche is like fashion items because that is what we sell most in school areas. So after I picked my niche, which is fashion item, then I already have my target audience. That's number two, your target audience. Who do you want to sell for? Now, if you're not in a school area, let's say you're an office worker, okay, you already have a target audience that you want to sell to your colleagues. What do your colleagues need? What do they need? That's finding your niche. What do you want to say to your colleagues? I hope you understand. So understand these two concepts, your niche and your target audience. Your niche is what you want to base on, what you want to be selling to your target audience. Right? Your target audience is people you want to sell to. Now, after finding your niche and your target audience, now you want to find a reliable supplier or a verified platform whereby you can buy these goods and sell to your clients. So you need a verified supplier before you can start up a pre-order business. After finding your niche and your target audience, you need to find a verified supplier or a verified platform whereby you can shop on behalf of your clients. Then after that, your cost and your pricing. For this cost and pricing, this is where most people make mistakes from. Now, I will advise that if you want to start a pre-order business, you have somebody you already look up to, somebody that is already into the business, somebody that understands the pricing and the cost of how these pre-order things work. Now you can join a group, a pre-order group. We have so many groups. You can join it and see how these people price their goods because you don't want your own price to be more than the market price. I hope you understand. People actually buy pre-order because it is cheaper, right? And if you are selling more than the market price, people won't patronize you. They'll prefer to go to the market to get this item. So you need to know your cost and your pricing. So you can join in pre-order groups to know how this cost and pricing, how it works, how people price their goods, how they add gains to it. Now the last part on how to run a pre-order business is to collect in installments. Pre-order business actually comes in two forms, whereby people have to pay first initial payment for the product, then pay shipping fee later. So you have to let them understand that, okay, this is how it works. Let your target audience understand that they are not getting this immediately and they will have to pay extra fee when the goods arrive. So you will be clear. Make sure you communicate more with your customers because this is a business you are just starting with. You don't want to end up being in debt. So you have to explain to them how it works, how many days it will take for the goods to land, and how they are going to pay their shipping fee. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the do's and don'ts of pre-order business. And if you need guidance before starting your pre-order business, just reach out to me on WhatsApp and I'll put you through. Or I even add you to my group whereby you see how the costing and pricing works. So thanks for watching. Bye.